In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view browsing history in Chrome. This is a simple and useful feature to know, especially if you want to find a website you visited earlier, go back to a page you accidentally closed, or just review your recent activity in the browser. Chrome makes it very easy to access your browsing history, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and you're on the main window so you can access the menu options clearly. If Chrome is already open, you can simply go to your current tab and follow along from there. Next, look to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. This is where Chrome keeps many of its settings and browser tools. Click on those three dots to open the menu. Once the menu appears, look for the option labeled History. Move your cursor over it, or click it, depending on how your version of Chrome displays the menu. From there, you'll be taken to the History section, where Chrome stores a list of the websites and pages you've visited. This is the area where you can see all of your browsing history. You can scroll through the list to explore the sites you opened previously. The pages are usually organized by date and time, which makes it easier to find something you visited recently or even earlier in the day. If you're trying to locate a specific website, take your time and review the entries carefully. You can also delete some of your history if you want to clean things up or remove certain pages from the list. This can be helpful if you want to keep your browser more organized or maintain a bit more privacy on your device. Just be careful when deleting, especially if you think you may need to return to a page later. And that's all there is to it. Opening Chrome, clicking the three dots, and selecting History will let you quickly view the websites you've visited. It's a very handy tool for finding old pages and managing your browsing activity more easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.